Hai teman-teman, sekarang aku lagi di Ascot. Aku dijemput sama kakakku yang cantik.
Aduh,
Mak Dewi. Ini udah di Ascot nih teman-teman.
welcome.
Udah sampai nih teman-teman di rumahnya Mama Dewi. Rumahnya Mama Dewi cozy dan inviting. Jadi nyaman dan membuat orang itu merasa nyaman dan tentram. Nih Mama Dewi udah nyiapin cantiknya.
Batu es saja ya?
Iya.
Mau pakai batu es atau just normal cold?
Normal call aja kali ya.
Taruh sini.
Ih cantik sekali nih, udah disiapin sama Mama Dewi nih buat makan siang.
Makan siangnya madam ini. Om Simon udah bikinin peyek loh, Wi.
Nih jagoan-jagoannya Mama Dewi nih, dua-duanya ganteng, udah lulus S2 semua, dan semuanya udah pada kerja teman-teman. What a lovely foto, aku suka foto yang ini. Mama Dewi, makanannya lihat dong.
Aduh ini
Cuma
begini aja, bikin sambal.
Cuma kayak gini
sambal, iya, takang belado.
Enak banget.
Bakwan jagung.
Suka.
Tapi masih masakannya masih lebih enak daripada aku.
Oh ya ampun,
Ini
banyak
aku
banget.
Tunggu, ke ini dulu biar ada, dia biasanya nyala lampunya. Oke. Nah, cuman ada tahu tempe. Terus
Aduh mantap, aduh baunya enak banget.
gitu ya?
Iya, banget.
Ini sayang maaf.
Ini dia, Mama Agatha nih datang nih. Halo.
Aduh cantik sekali.
I have to come back to ambil sesuatu lagi.
Oh, thank you. Nih, ini dulu.
Gimana Gat? Review dong. Oh, tuh ya gitu lagi. 1, 2, 3. Ini yang bikin suaminya Mama Dewi loh, Simon.
Mr. Simon, dia orang Inggris loh, bisa bikin peyek.
Bikin
luar
peyek,
biasa.
pinter banget.
Kita aja orang Indonesia setengah mati.
Setengah mati, ya bener. Coba gimana? Enak nggak, Say? Mantap ya. Gue juga enak banget. Gue udah makan sekali. Mau nambah lagi, tapi kayaknya gue inget masih ada yang lain kan.
Dipakan diet lah. Thank you Simon.
Halo. Saya dulu
Mas. Nih.
Anak lu masih di itu di
Nih jagoannya Mama Dewi nih.
Just doing some other
We
work.
just like this terus. Tuh jagoannya Mama Dewi tuh.
Mami makan dulu.
Ini kerja di sana yang teman-teman jadi accountant.
Iya,
Alhamdulillah banyak sekali makanannya dan yummy semua teman-teman. Banyak kali makanannya teman-teman. Ya Allah, kayak mau hajatan ya.
Iya, hajatan di rumahnya Dewi.
Yeah.
Waduh, rendang nih teman-teman. Enak nggak? Gata?
Ya, enak
Bangit.
banget, enak banget.
Banget ya.
Bukan banget lagi, bangit.
Enak banget.
Susan, udah datang. Gimana tadi? Halo Ian. Halo, how are you? How was your journey?
Long.
Long, I know. It was an accident, you said? Yes. Okay, please come in, makan, ayo, makan. Tutup pintunya. Udah. Oke dah. Nah, kalau ini suaminya Mama Dewi, teman-teman, yang punya rumah, namanya Pak Simon. Halo Simon.
Hi, how you doing?
Thank you so much for having us, and the paella are really scrumptious.
Terima kasih banyak.
Terima kasih banyak. Pak Simon pinter bahasa Indonesia loh teman-teman. Terus ya, and kita juga dapat ini teman-teman. Kita juga ada dikasih ini marmalade ya. Is it marmalade?
Sele orange.
Oh, it's a sele orange. Orange or marmalade. Ini Pak Simon yang bikin loh teman-teman. Kita dikasih buah tangan kayak gini nih.
Rather than water.
Ini Pak Simon lagi jelasin bikin ini selenya teman-teman.
Yes, and then the other thing is like, you know how with this you've got some white thing that, well, that contains what they call the pectin, which is the thing which makes it gel. Right. So when you've got the oranges like this, you sort of cut them in half, squeeze the juice out, and then you get a spoon and you scrape this out, all the white, until you've got a thin skin without really much white at all. You keep all that white stuff and you put it into a cloth bag.
Muslin bag, right?
Yeah.
A muslin
Bag, yeah. Boil it together with the skin.
You squeeze it, yeah. With muslin and then you squeeze.
You can do, yeah, but you have to be careful because some people say it makes it go too cloudy.
Oh.
Yeah, but and it can go bitter as well if you have too much. But you know, I like to cut the skin up quite fine, which is a lot of work. You have to slice it. You know,
You can't do the slicer, like the potato.
doesn't work. No, it's there isn't really an easy way of doing it other than by hand. So, and it takes a few hours to make, but the important thing, as I say, is you know, like boiling the skins and with this muslin bag with the seeds and the white thing.
How long does it take to simmer?
Oh, you do that for probably about 2 hours, and then the best thing to do is to leave it overnight with the muslin bag in there, kind of thing, and then lift it out and then just gently squeeze it out and things, and then you add the sugar.
Okay.
And then you have to get it to the boil, and then you have to keep boiling it on like a steady boil. Obviously, you don't want it to go over the top, and it will go over the top if you're not careful.
Yeah.
But you have to boil it steady, and then, as I say, until the temperature reaches about 105.
So it has to be really low heat, yeah?
Not really low heat, but it's like
Medium?
a medium heat. So like
So you
on
have to
our
keep-
one, it's about 5 or 6.
Oh.
You know, nine is maximum.
Yeah.
You see.
Okay.
But if I put it on 7 or 8, it would
It's bubbly.
boil over,
Yeah.
and then it would burn the bottom of the pan, which you definitely don't
So
want.
some
Yeah,
medium,
yeah.
So you do have to keep stirring it.
Lots of sugar?
So let's say for 1 kilo of fruit, it's about 1.5 kilos of sugar.
Wow.
Sugar, yes, lots of sugar.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
There has to be a lot of sugar.
You don't have to, but it's very difficult to make it set.
Set like this, yeah.
Yeah, it won't. If you don't have enough sugar, it won't set. If you don't have the pectin, it won't set either. So, but there are kinds of preserves which are much more difficult to make with really low sugar. You know, like the ones for diabetes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, there's recipes for those, but they're hard to make
Oh.
because it just tends to be like
Watery.
bit watery, you know, and yeah, it's very difficult. So it's better to just get the proportions right.
What if you change it to replace with honey? The sugar?
I think it'd be
Honey
too
is
sickly, too you know, like the honey's too strong a flavour.
Oh, then you take
Yeah.
Okay.
But,
Interesting. It's like making chutney, isn't it?
Yeah, sort
It's
of like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
But the some fruit, like you know, the citrus fruits are good because they've got quite a high pectin in the skin,
Yeah.
in this white bit. But if you've got like raspberries, they have no pectin. So in order to
Oh,
make
yeah.
raspberry jam, you have to buy like
Yeah.
a bottle of pectin, which you can get from the supermarket.
Okay.
Oh, you can buy the
Yeah,
bottle of
you
pectin.
can buy it as a liquid or as a powder, and then you add that. Otherwise, it'll never set.
Okay.
Oh, I see.
Pectin.
Pectin.
Yeah.
Now
make
we-
that?
Here, let me take that.
Thank you.
Anything with me labor intensive? No.